Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to attach a gutter downspout easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have two pieces of gutter downspouts, and I'm going to show you how to attach them. It's actually really easy to do. So basically, you want to identify which one is sort of the inside piece and which is the outside piece, okay? Now, it's kind of hard to tell, but this piece right here is sort of crimped inward. You can kind of see it over here. It's sort of crimped a little bit inward. So it's a little bit smaller, and this one would be the outside piece. This would be the inside piece because it's sort of crimped inward, and this is sort of straight, so this would be the outside piece, okay? Very simple and straightforward. So all that you want to do is line up the two pieces together that you want to attach, okay? Just like that. You can see they've already been attached because there's already a hole in them, okay? But I'm going to line them up again just like that. Put one inside of the other. You might have to just give it a little press. Watch your fingers. You don't want to get any scratches or cuts or anything like that. So just be careful. You might even want to wear gloves. It's up to you. But just definitely be careful. Get them inside of each other like that. I'm going to line up those holes. Obviously, if you don't have holes already, then don't line anything up. Just squeeze them in together. But I do have holes, so I've just lined them up like that. Now all that you want to do is get a screw. And you can, there are certain types of screws, but at the end of the day, you can kind of use, whatever screw works is my, if it holds it together, it's a good enough screw. That's my opinion. But, obviously you can use the specific screws. You want to get something that will definitely screw into the material. I was using this screw before, so I'm going to use this now. I'm simply going to place it in place over here. I'm putting my drill on forward motion, and I'm just going to screw this screw down so it holds it in place, just like this. Perfect. As you can see, the gutters are nicely held together. The downspouts, gutters, whatever you want to call them, are nicely held together. Now you can obviously, and you should do two sides. So what you should do is one screw on this side, and then you should do a screw on the other side, okay? It's up to you, but I mean, like I just did this screw on this side quickly, but you should obviously do the screw on the other side. And as you can see, these still have the tags on them. I just recently got them. Anyways, that's basically it. That is how to attach gutters / downspouts together. Really easy to do. You line them up, you get them inside of each other, you line them up nicely, you put one screw in on one side, making sure that you're going through both pieces, obviously, and then I would recommend putting a second screw in. Some people will recommend 3, it doesn't matter. As long as you get 2 screws in there, you're good. Even one will do a decent job at holding it together, but 2 is like more than enough. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.